Friends at home, good morning. Today is day 2 of our practical section. I hope you and your children are ready to get started with the training of computer with Scratch. These are our children. Say hi. Yeah, so they will be learning along with you. So now we are about to start. Today we'll be doing 2 things. Today we'll be doing our first simple way of using Scratch. Then the second thing we'll be doing is we will choose a game to be able to do. So when I show the children how to go about it, then they will do it by themselves. So the children have to look at the way I'm going to do it so that they can be able to replicate exactly what I did. So let's get started. Now our website is scratch.mit.edu. scratch.mit.edu. You can see the mouse and you click enter. We have already signed in at the first class. We have already registered at the first class, so in every class we have to sign in. So I sign in. After signing in, let's create a project. We click on create. Children, hope you are looking.
Yes.
So let's do our first simple Scratch programming. Children, look at what I'm going to do because people will doing it one after the other. So I want to, in motion, I click on motion, it's already in motion. I want the cat to move 10 steps. I click on move 10 steps. So I want the cat, when it moves 10 steps, it should make a meow sound. So I click on play sound meow. Then I want if I want the cat to move, what I should do, that's events. So when the green flag is clicked, so I take it and that's it. Then I want to change the background of the sprite, which is the cat. So I click on background. So let me just choose the first background, and it has changed. So this is the first simple way of using Scratch that we'll be doing. So let me click on the green flag. Children, can you see that?
Yes.
Very easy to do. Can you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now it's your turn to do it.